Pull it out, Caitlin. Come here, sweetie. Caitlin, I'm gonna get your present. I'm gonna take it.
Present. Go over there and take your present.
Is Mickey in here? Who's in here? Come on. Oh, look what I see. Oh, look. Get it. Come on. Hey.
Help her. Yeah.
Help her.
Yeah.
Come here. See, look at this. See that?
Yeah.
See? Oh my goodness, you got all kinds of little presents in here.
Put it back on.
Can you open this up? Take the ribbon out. Take it off.
Mom, you got it over her mouth.
She can't see.
Here.
This
Okay.
is terrible.
I know.
What is wrong with you? That's kind of hard for me.
It's falling down.
Here, sweetie.
That's all right. Just pull it off.
Did she tear this off?
Yeah.
Look, Caitlin, look. Today's your day.
Oh my, look at that card. Look at that card.
Do you see that tiny red butt holding the 2 balloons? This is a ladybug. Ladybugs are good bugs. The ladybug is holding 2 balloons because it's your 2nd birthday. To our dear niece Caitlin. Oh, how sweet.
Is that something? Now
Open
here.
it. Open it.
Did she tear that off?
Yeah.
Take it off.
Pull it off.
Take it off. Oh, look.
Yeah.
Pull it.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at the monkey stuff.
Look. Take it off. Oh, look at that. Noisy farm book. Yeah.
Oh, is that, can you open it up?
Yeah.
Just open it up. See, it should mention movie.
Yeah.
Wow.
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 Open it up.
Yeah. Open it. Yeah.
Look.
Let Papa help
Come
you.
here.
Open it.
Open it up so I can noise for it. Look, sweetie. See the bird? Did you see all that? The moving cow?
Oh, how sweet. Look here, Caitlin. Here's another one. Look.
Look, you got another
Open
book.
this one.
Open that one. You gotta get that rubber ribbon off.
Yeah.
Here's sweetie.
Horse. Yeah. She's saying horse. Horse. Pig. Pig. Yep. Chicken. Chicken. Yeah.
I
Chicken.
want to know
Let
more
her
now.
say
Let's
it
just
so you can hear it.
What?
Let her say it so she can hear it. Get up closer to her. She can get up closer.
Here, sweetie. Here. Hey.
Her hair's in her eyes.
Maybe pull her hair out of her eyes.
Well, somebody should
It's the wrong. I know it's the other way. The other way. Yeah, that way. Yeah. I should have pulled it up.
Ah,
That's okay.
sweetie, look. Here's another one. Look. Look. Hey. I think this is it for her right there. Here.
There's no one in the box.
Yeah, there's another box.
Here.
Horse.
You want to open all the
I know.
You want to open all the books, but look, sweetie. Look, get another book. Here. Here. Come on. There's another one. Look. Caitlin, there's another one.
Just help her. Yeah.
Well, the problem is
She likes that one
hey,
because
look.
all the animals.
Look, see the pretty little girl? See?
Book.
We give. Here, you want to see this?
Wow.
Look. Oh, my little golden book about God.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You got it upside down. So turn it around like this. Oh, look, we got some more writing on here. Happy 2nd birthday, love, and Erin and Uncle Jimmy. Let's see, Caitlin. And now, here's Steve. There you go. Look.
Maybe there's another present
Yeah.
in the box.
Look, sweetie. See a little bit. Look. Elaine, look.
I see it.
Caitlin, look. See? See?
See.
All right.
Get her the other box.
Oh, well, we got.
She's in another present in there. Yeah.
There's another present here.
Yep.
I think that's it.
There's another box too. Yeah.
Okay. You want to try to look at this? Come here. I told you to get all of your bones are not quite used to be. Come on, sweetie. Can you get in this? Okay.
Present. She's saying present.
Yeah. Let me help you get it off, okay? You get that off. Yeah. Ooh, that's exactly right. Now, can you, here. Let me get it off with this. Here. Here. Tear it. Take it apart. Pull it out. Can you walk around here? Because you're not getting her face, you're just getting her back.
Get around to this part.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. What is it, Caitlin?
Take the other presents out while she-
I will. Oh, good.
Wow.
You like it?
Oh, that's the other figurine that goes with her Winnie the Pooh one I have in her room. Oh, it's cute. It's Piglet.
Hey.
Yeah, wow. We'll set that one up in your room.
Here, sweetie.
How nice.
Can you get into this? Huh?
Yeah, fix her bangs, Mom.
Here, sweetie. Hey,
Yeah.
look. You're pregnant. Come on. Caitlin, look. Get this
Wow.
one. Caitlin. Oh, Caitlin, look. She's still working on that one, yeah.
Here, hand me that one and that because her attention.
This one here?
Yeah, and then
What's in it?
it's a figurine I have to set up in her
Let
room.
me see. You
Yeah,
wanna
it's
see it?
Piglet. Yes.
Look, Kate, look at it. Is this a bear? What is that? What is that? Oh my goodness, get him out here. Yeah, you can. Put him out.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Woo.
Push it.
I think that there's a place in see here.
Huh? It talks or something. You have to push it.
Well, maybe. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
Push it in the
on.
stomach.
Wait, we gotta turn it on. Wait. Well, I can't see if it's on or
Here.
off. Can you?
Here, huh? I got it. Hold on.
Give her- she's got the duck nut box there.
Huh?
Is there anything else?
No, that was just packing.
Well, I need my. Okay, now it's on.
Okay, let me see if I can find it. Can you find it? I feel something in there. It might be batteries. I don't know.
Hi. Press hand to hear me sing.
Press in.
Oh, look.
What was that?
Shout, Caitlin.
Caitlin,
Mom,
look.
bring her over there. Look.
Caitlin.
Wow. Come get your bear.
Light the candle.
Come get it.
How about that?
Push it.
When you
Push the hand. Yeah, push the hand to get the hand. The other hand. Push it. The rip. How cute.
I'm gonna get me one, Jim.
Is there anything else?
No, that's it.
Say thank you, Aunt Erin and Uncle Jimmy. Oh, did it pause?
Blow out the candle.
No, it didn't. It's still. Oh, how sweet.
How about that, huh?
You take